In this our data model creation, we have created three tables: data, dim region, dim age, and fact population. Basically, we just need these three tables, and but we don't need other tables. However, because we have these three tables, we are having we are seeing so much of performance issues. Means while loading, means if I wanted to do a simple task of changing a data type of a particular column, it is taking at least 2 minutes or so. That is what it is time consuming, and this is what we are not expecting at this point. And whenever we are working in a complex project, and this is very much required, that we should be able to do some performance optimization as well. So in this video I'm going to show you some of the performance optimization tricks which we should use so that our performance of the project is significantly improved. Now there are a few things which we wanted to see. First of all, when we see this Power BI window, first of all, if you in the report view, and then if you go in the data in the table view, you can see there are so many tables. Now, before doing this, let's try to see what is the project size. Means whatever we have project we have created till now, like creating two tables and one fact table, how much size it has taken. So for that, wherever your project is saved in your local folder, navigate to that folder and see the size. In my case, my project is saved here, and you can see this project size is around 36 MB. So that is very much high, we can say, for a project which is consisting of just three tables we have created at the moment. Let's try to see what we can do to improve this. Now you can see there is an option in the data view where we can just hide this table, hide in report view. Let me try to hide in report view. This is one option which is available, where when we say hide in report view, and if you go in the report view, you will not see there's those two tables, like because these first two tables like combined population and countries to add, I have hide there, so we cannot see it here. But by doing this, let's see means whether any size difference it makes in a project size. And you can see for this project templates we don't see any size difference. This is not the correct way or correct approach. There is another approach which we should do. For now, let's try to unhide all these things. Now it will try to show it once again, all these tables. Now let's go back to query editor, where we will see means how this can be done. Now if you right click on this, and then there is an option of enable load. So what is enable load? Basically, when we say enable load, we have these queries, like say first query and second query, and we are combining for query one and query two into a combined query, which is this one. And now when we say query one yes, enable load is selected as yes, and enable load select yes as well for query two. Then we are making combined query three. But when we have all this enable load selected yes for all these three queries, then in data model, actually in final, we will see all the three tables, and this will be also used for any processing or any loading. Means if you are just doing any simple operation on any of the table, then all these three table will be loaded and it will be processed, kind of that. So that will take much of time. What we can do instead of this enable load, means what will we can do, first two queries enable load, we can unselect it so that it will become no enable load, and we'll just keep it as for the third query, and in data model then it will just have the query third. So that is something which is going to improve the performance significantly. Now how can we do this? Let's go to the transform data in query editor, and just right click on this and just select enable load, unselect this enable load. So it will say disabling load will remove the table from the report, and any visuals that use this column will be broken. For now we are not creating any visuals, or not created any visuals on this table, so that this should be fine. And let's click on continue. Do this same other tables as well. We don't need for this combined population data table as well. We just need this enable load to be applied only three table. Let's remove for this as well. Now saving a project also will be quicker, and just try to save this, and you can see means it will be very quicker. This is, yeah, you can see this is immediately within a couple of seconds it is completed. Now go back to our project. Here also we can just click on save, and it is also done very quickly. Now when we do this, all this saving of the data, then you can see here also it's just showing three tables. And now if you go into our project location, then we will see the size difference. Now if you just refresh this, and you can see project templates, now it is just 9 MB. So this is a significant improvement in the performance and size, because this is something which will significantly improve our processing, data processing, and the speed of the tool as well. And this will be helpful means when we work in large projects as well. So this is something which is we need to take care. So this is the way means we can improve our performance. And if you have any questions on this or any comments, please do let me know in comment section. And thank you for watching.